Oh no, not again. Yeah, tired. Cutting grommets, losing components. Well, this isn't working. I need to find a solution.
Hey, John. Did you lose something?
Fusion?
Still wasting time cutting rubber grommets? Spending money on cable glands you don't even need? In modern installation, complexity is the enemy and time, your most valuable asset. Meet the Fusion Box series, the new generation of self-sealing junction boxes where you simply pass the cable through the membrane and the sealing is instant. You see, John, this is direct insulation.
What about the lids? I keep losing them, the sealants, the lid screws. How?
Forget lost screws and falling lids. The meaning the lid is captive and connected directly to the base, with all seals fully integrated. No more nihilist cable glands or extra accessories, 0 parts lost. If you ask me, it's smart, but I'm going to show you. Follow me.